Today's video is question and answer number 2. This is the video where I get to respond to questions that were dropped in the comment section of my video. So if you ever have questions from watching any one of my videos, you need more clarity, go ahead and ask your questions. When I collect a couple of them, I'm gonna do a video just like this one and answer your questions. That way we all learn from one another. So I have 3 questions that I'm gonna answer in today's video. I have them written down in my notes right here. The first one is if I have Bitterleaf seeds for sale. And the second question is on Waterleaf, does it need heat or does it just tolerate heat? And then the third one is a request actually to provide an update on the Papaya Project. Let's start with the very first question. If I do have Bitterleaf seeds for sale. Before I answer that question, let me just say that even if I have seeds for sale or I'm giving out seeds, it's gonna be just domestic within the United States. I really don't want to deal with shipping stuff internationally. Now, do I have Bitterleaf seeds for sale? The short answer is yes, I do. I have delayed offering the seeds for sale because I wanted to test out the seeds for germination and make sure that they will germinate so that when I do offer the seeds or even give them away, I can point you to the video where you can use to grow your own Bitterleaf seeds. I just uploaded a video on how to germinate, how to sprout Bitterleaf seeds. I'm gonna link to that video in the description box. You can click on it and watch. But yes, I do have Bitterleaf seeds for sale, and it is gonna be offered for sale and shipped within the United States only. If you are interested in purchasing the seeds, I will leave the information that you can use to order in the description section as well. So make sure you check that out. The second question that I received was about the vegetable known as the water leaf. The scientific name is Talinum triangulare. In some tribes of Nigeria, they refer to it as efogbore. Other names for it are the Suriname spinach. Now, does the water leaf vegetable require heat to grow, or does it just tolerate heat? And this is important for us out here in the diaspora trying to grow some of these otherwise vegetables that are native to the tropics. As you know, my garden is here in Houston Zone 9A, and I've had no issues at all cultivating the waterleaf vegetable down here. However, if where you live is colder, you might really be interested in knowing whether you require heat to grow waterleaf. The answer to this question is yes. Yes, it requires heat to grow, and then yes, it also tolerates high temperatures. The optimal range of temperature for your water leaf to do well is between 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Any colder and the water leaf will struggle, any hotter and it might not really grow and produce well. And the last question is a request for me to give an update on my papaya project. Now guys, I have been attempting to grow the papaya fruit down here in my garden, Zone 9A, and it has not been successful so far. I had this thought that what if I started my papaya from seeds around September? That way it will have a chance to germinate before we really get into the winter season, and then I could bring the young plants indoors throughout the winter and then take them back outside when it was spring and continue the process. That way I get a chance at the papaya trees producing fruit and the fruit maturing before it is winter again. So I started this experiment back in September, and this is what I have to show for it so far. Guys, today is February the 3rd, and this is my papaya plant. I started the seeds on the 25th of the September last year in 2022, and this is all the growth I have so far, and that is because I've not really taken care of my papaya plant. I was supposed to take it inside the house and leave it there most of the time, which I did not. And so because it's cold, growth is retarded like this. But I'm gonna try to rescue this papaya and keep you posted on what happens. So what I plan to do is move the papaya plant from this big grow bag to a smaller container, and then I'll take it inside and try to fertilize it and grow it under like a grow light in warmer conditions and see if I can rescue the plant. All right, guys, the papaya tree is all transplanted. I'm gonna move the label back here so I know. And now I'm gonna move this one indoors. All right, guys, our papaya plant is now safely indoors under a grow light. This is a grow light type of bulb for indoor and outdoor plants. So I have it sitting right here by the window. Hopefully with a little TLC, the papaya plant can pick up. I'll keep you posted. So guys, just an update on our papaya plant that I've been trying to rescue. It's been 1 week since I transplanted the papaya into this container and then took it indoors. I just brought it out to the greenhouse today, February the 13th. I think there's some progress. This is new growth. This was not there before. So that's our papaya. All I have done is I've had this indoors growing under a grow light for a week, and I've also applied Miracle Grow liquid fertilizer to it. Hopefully I can rescue the papaya. I'll keep you posted. And that is the end of today's Q&A session. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I have earned your subscription. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly give the video a thumbs up, share the video, share the channel with somebody you know that might benefit from what I have to share. Until next time, grow a garden. Happy gardening. Bye.